the reason for building the bazaar, a massive motivation behind it was to kind of highlight the concept of data composability on Arweave. Data composability refers to the underlying nature of Arweave in that all the data stored on it can be shared among all of its applications. So to highlight that, we, built Alex, we built this archiving tool, and then we built a way to a core team, a large team of Arweave developers. I shouldn't just say we, but a team of developers built the bazaar to allow you to trade atomic assets on that, which can be Alex artifacts or any other type of atomic asset stored among any other application on Arweave. And any of those assets that are created can have a universal data license attached to it, which gives the user of or the holder of the token real world rights um, on that asset. So if I think a good example of the universal data license would be for maybe like music creators or content creators who
Absolutely.
who put out content on the web and want to attach a license on it that says this is what you are allowed to do with this data. There's a one-time payment fee to use it for commercial use or things like that. Um, so yeah, the universal data license has been a massive, massive part of the bazaar marketplace that allows you to trade atomic assets